How to contact Etsy customer support. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can find this profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon, and here there's a section called Help and Support. Simply tap on it. So this is the section where you can visit the help center or the support. Here on the bottom, tap on Visit Help Center. So while using this application, you can get different problems related to your orders or even payments. Now here we in this help center. Here if you slowly scroll down, you can find different articles, and here on the bottom you can directly contact Etsy support, and you'll be able to get the support and easily solve all your problems. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.